Yo, I pull up to the spot, golden lock inside, Big Mac, fry, McDonald's, yeah, you know it on tonight. But hold on, I got the plan. It's about to evolve. Gonna flip the whole joint into chicken bolo. Oh, hello, a sausage McMuffin.
3 seconds.
Yo, Ronald McDonald, step back, we taking over the joint. Count you too big, you understand the point. No more happy meals, now we raising the stick. Want the chicken ball empire, watch the game elevate. Oh! Big Mac, not homie. Chicken ball attack. Ah, McFlurry on side, just to balance the snack. Fry in the dip, you're changing the game. McDonald's chicken ball, make him say my name. Oh, from the fire to the tray, we rising up tall. We make a McDonald's into the chicken ball. No burger, no beef, this a new protocol. We turn the Mickey D into chicken ball. Ah, we ballin', we rollin', we fire up the heat. Every menu turning into something sweet. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, don't matter the call. We hitting up every time with a chicken ball. Oh, forget the fry, man, we drop 'em in sauce. Chicken ball in hand, I'm a real boss. Got the homie rolling, we're ditching them all. Cause everybody know, it's all about the chicken ball. Oh, so next time you roll through, you'll know what to do. McDonald's chicken ball, it's the new breakthrough. Oh, fire, grease hot, let's get it cracking. Turning McFlurry into something packing. Oh, roll it up tight, butter, thick like a wall. Dip it in sauce, now it's a chicken ball.